Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lexi the Complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know you know. The Maroon Emperor, 7-star Horace Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one, you know where stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, in today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have I-Octane being featured on the channel today as his name was mentioned in a popular YouTube channel, Politics Watch, in the Clansman discussion. People, his name has been constantly popping up, but I'm going to let you listen to this voice note and we'll analyze afterwards.
Repost and tagging. Anything violate go and get a proper flagging. And the Flossing King represent for dancehall bomb, you know. Them for know say the #1 blogger. You understand? Big up my top shot a friend named Spragger. Anything violate get, you hear me I say? Murder.
Alright, even right, let me tell you, I-Octane not about a visa fee move, right? But in order to get the visa, I forgot embassy with I-Octane them to do the interview. And the man say him nah go because you know one guy the embassy and then man pull up and kill him. So he say that the visa they go on and him having life. To the man afraid, he want some clothes. It's not the one who can just cause I me at the bank after try to put some things together for him look good. Cause one time I go up a league and I go buy some clothes. He say I want a Air Force. I say, oh, if I want a brand, you have to go uptown to get original. You're not going to really get original downtown also. So I go up a league and man now and pull over and man afraid to come out of the car. And the banker say, yo, uptown and then a dog, I want you. Plus I'm for you pull over. Now you can't jump in the car. And the man say, yo dog, I'm afraid dog. Nah, come out. They don't know many will see him size. So boom, go in the China shoes and get a Air Force him and jump out back. But that man afraid for dead. Afraid to get catching a public. As tough as I hear him talk and go on. Man, they're afraid. Yeah man, I can not about a entertainment visa fee, but the man say him not gonna do an interview. Cause I don't trust that movie. And now I go up that man go kill him so. As I say, he never go on it. He say he never go to the interview. Because he never go on the embassy if he make man kill him. Alright, it always depends, you know, because, alright, it's not a man to travel out of the community, we say. He might go link up with them when I go now. He will just up on my block on my house. And you see some big Pajero and Prada one. I'll be a Pajero and Prada one come check him. And I will look at white BMW. No, right, Black BMW is come check him as well. And if him say I go by the studio for Octane now, you will see all 5-6 car away. But in Nigeria, I don't know, drive with Octane car. So you drive with Octane, you know, say me ready there, Mama ready there. And then the next car with Danny and Sus them, and the next car with the rest of them, with Crooks them and thing. So, like, you know, so Sus them now go.
Now, people, as you listen to that voice note, you can hear I-Octane name being mentioned as BlackMan going to studio with him, linking up with him, taking him to the embassy and such forth. Now, you can't quick for point fingers sometime on the artists, you know, people, because you don't understand the relationship with them have, because the way it sounds all the while, it seems as if I-Octane yourself to try to change him life, you know, try to get him in a different country, try to give him some record, showing him the brighter side of life so he can be a producer and make it as big as him, so him not have to do them things the way I do, you understand? Then again, on the other hand, you don't know if I-Octane knows that this man that do them things because BlackMan is a master manipulator, you understand? As you can hear in the voice notes of the court trial, what he's definitely saying is what the eye see. What I mean by that, him can present himself as anything to you. And you never hear say I-Octane I buy nobody no gun, I buy nobody this or buy nobody that. Then again, them can come from the same community and them man, they are serious man. I-Octane just have to cooperate with whoever deal with, you understand? But But we also have to watch your friends how we keep, because mix up like this, you don't want your name, you don't want to get involved in stories like these and controversies like these. So people, you have to be aware of your surrounding. You can encourage one man to stop, but so much you can't control a human being. A human being can be beside you and play innocent and still get you caught up, because I see many scenarios in life, people. You just have to be wise, and do our best for you and your family, understand, and your loved ones, because ones and ones don't want to hear them name get caught up in this, as I repeatedly say. So just make the right choice. Now people also have Mr. J British with some true encouragement for the world, people. I'd like everybody to hear this. I'm going to play this clip for you people. Listen up.
Dancehall Bam, enough of them represent for you, you know them dead.
But we could have juke them in a day yard that way, but that would have been a fully reverse, because we create system, dog. So we don't have no need to hide with face. We don't have no need to hide to talk the truth. Because remember, life is what you make it. This is for all of the young youth them, because remember, crime and violence doesn't go anywhere more than behind the bars. You see me? So everyone have to learn to love someone, I have to learn to trust someone, No one is perfect, Everyone have a fault, But if it's your friend, you can work around the fault or work with the fault, you see me? Remember, me have love in my heart, Me a human being, me have feelings, me have emotion, you see me? And me care about people. But I don't discuss my personal lifestyle on TikTok. Even if someone hurt me, we just keep that confidential. You see me? Because remember, you have people who you love, You have women who you love out there unconditionally, you see me? Where you can't even, she will know, but deep down inside, she know sometimes they abuse the situation. Because remember, me I want good youth, Although yeah, me still call them system dog and shoot them in them eye without no apology. And I treat myself in front of myself. That I want another side of G British. I'm a very jovial person, and sometimes I poison. Ask anybody with personal, when know me, I have a personal relationship with me. Yeah, man, I'm corrupt at times, man. I'm bad behind that, but as you would say, badness not really go nowhere. And we are said to the youth, them of the future. Just show love, no man. Stop with the crime and violence in high school. But another episode, if they see their mother or father fight every day, what kind of example them are do when they go to school? It all happen like what they see their mother and father do. So if the mother and father don't set a perfect example in front of them pitney are going to shame them on road without no apology. And when I trick ourselves in front of ourselves, Jamaica want good place and Jamaica want bad place. Depends on your circle, But as we say, we not have to hide with face. We just do the truth without no apology.
Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.